guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul, mostly craft supplies as always, but a few like goodies that I hadn't seen before, some new things I'm really excited about. I feel like the last several trips haven't been as great, and while I didn't get a lot of things, I did get a lot of new things. I'm really excited about it. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first item, I have hauled a very similar item before. It may look, it is like this jute cord. Let me see. See, somewhere right here. Anyway, I have hauled this before, and this is the decorative nautical rope. And so this is the jute cord, and the difference between besides the size. So this new one is a lot thinner than the rope, but it's also wired, guys, like wired. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's gonna like stay where you put it. Oh my goodness, so many possibilities. You don't get a lot. It is 7.5 feet, but it's $1. It's $1. Like, oh my gosh. So they didn't have very many of these. I probably should have bought another one. I think that they only had a couple, but I did get one of those. I had never seen this before. It may have been available at other Dollar Trees, because I mean, I know I get comments in the section, and I get comments that are like, oh, my Dollar Tree never has that good of stuff. But I feel like that when I watch other people's videos and see other people's hauls, I'm like, where do you get this stuff? And then occasionally mine will have a good score. So maybe it's not new. But I'm really excited about this. I think it's gonna be great for crafts. Like, I just love that it's wired. Love that. Very good job, Dollar Tree. The next item I bought for crafting are these chopping mats. I really like these. I've been actually looking for, my Dollar Tree for some reason has been out of the poster board. Like, they have the regular poster board, but the like styrofoam poster board, I actually really like them to do my crafts and painting and things on. But they've been out of them. But I also needed some of these. Because these are great to cut on. So if I need to use like an X-Acto knife or something, they are just so good. And they come two per package. And if they just, you can use them forever, but then once they get all, scratched up or just falling apart, which will take a while, but you just get 50 cents a piece. Good price. So grab those for crafting. The next item, I actually already opened this because I needed one. Oh my gosh, these are everything. They have these in, I think, 4 different colors. I think they had pink, purple, green, and yellow. I think, I'm not sure. I know they had purple. I don't know. I don't even remember all the colors. I know they had purple. But these are such a good deal. These were just my favorite. These, they come in this like clear like envelope thing, which are super cute. And then it comes with like some stationery, and it comes with, I don't remember if it had like 2 or 3 cards. It must have had 2. I opened it because I sent one to my son's teacher with just a little note and a gift card for like Teacher Appreciation Week or whatever. And so I love it. And look at these envelopes, guys. They're like so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, so I lost the, or I threw away the packaging. It had like something around it that said how many of everything was in it. But anyway, you get several like pieces. The paper looks like maybe 4 pieces of the stationery. And I guess it would have probably come with 2 cards because I already used one. I think I only used one. And then it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I already used one, so 6 envelopes. So yeah, oh my gosh, these little stationery sets, so cute. I found mine up by the register, so that's where I found mine. But I just love, I love everything about it. I love that it comes in this like cute little envelope. That's super cute. It'd also be really cute to stick like planner stickers or washi tape or something in. There you go. The next couple items aren't craft related, but oh my gosh, guys. I can't even. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. They are mermaid nail clippers, and they are in like rose gold. Like, are these not the best Dollar Tree find ever? Like, seriously, guys, I'm in love with them. Like, oh my gosh. I know I'm like a 7-year-old. I just love them. And they feel like, I haven't opened up. Let's just open them up and see how great a quality they are. They don't feel too bad. They feel pretty good. Not bad. Not bad, yeah. So anyway, you get one of the big ones and one of the little ones. Oh, guys, these are just so cute. Just so cute. Anyway, I love these. I love these. I don't think I've seen them in any other color. I think they may come in other colors, but my Dollar Tree just had this, like, sorry for the glare, like rose gold. Like, there's lights everywhere, guys. I'm sorry. Do you see it? Yep. All right. Love them. Pick up these. The next item I picked up is simply because I'm lazy, guys. I picked up some of this hummingbird food. Seriously, you can make your own hummingbird food with sugar and water. Like, it's really, but I don't know. Maybe there's nothing else extra in it, but I just felt like maybe it would have extra nutrients or something. It doesn't even say. Isn't that like, yeah. But anyway, here you can make your own. But this one, I actually just, it's really, really handy, really, really great just to grab. But I have, one of the things I've been doing this month, the whole month of May, is I have been watching the sunset every single night. Like, May is crazy. Like, it's like December, but like without presents, right? And so we just have so many end of the year things and so much stress and just a lot of things going on, guys. Nothing bad. It's just been like overwhelming the amount of things. So I have just like forced myself to just stop. I set a timer on my phone, and even Jacob knows, like, when my timer goes off, like, it's sunset time. And so I just go outside and I sit and I just watch the sunset, and I'm just thankful, just, you know, reminding myself just how thankful I am, just gratitude, thankful for God for all the blessings of that day. It really makes me like stop and think about the exact blessings of that day, not just in general in life. I have a great family and everything, but just like, you know, it's all the big things and all of the, you know, the little things. I always started out by just, Lord, I'm so thankful for my family and our health, and, you know, that we have jobs and that we have food on the table and those kind of things. And then just specific things that I'm grateful for that day. And I'm telling you guys, I've loved it. But anyway, all that to be said, the reason I have a hummingbird feeder is I do have a couple hummingbirds out there, and I love to watch them. Again, sometimes I'm only out there like 10 minutes, but it's just like that, you know, brings me back to center, like, thing. And I love it. And anyway, the hummingbirds are out, and I have a couple hummingbirds. They don't like each other, but I like them, and so I need a second feeder, like, because I don't think they're sharing well. But anyway, this is just something I can quickly refill the feeder with. Again, you can make it with sugar and water, but it's only $1, so. Okay, the last two items that I got, set my mat down, were new. I had seen somebody haul them, but I hadn't seen them. And it's kind of a twofold. It's kind of a decorative item and a craft project, I think, for me. Because these are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are garden flags. So, basically, you know those, like, flags? Well, garden flags, you know, you put outside that go on like a little pole. I bought one for like our planter that we're doing. Those flowers are still alive, by the way. I think I talked to you about, yeah. Anyway, I think I mentioned that I have a flower barrel that I'm doing. Like, the city's having this competition, and like at the end, like, somebody gets a gift card. I'm honestly, if my flowers just stay alive, I'll be happy. Okay, so anyway, this is like those little flags, those garden flags, but it sits on your desk. And how cute is this? I will say, I mean, it's only $1, so like my criticism here, blowing buck, right? This is just like a styrofoam. I thought it was plastic, but it's just like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just like foam. And then this is not metal either. It's plastic. Again, it's not going outside. I just assumed, because the Dollar Tree has large ones, that's where I got mine out for our flower barrel. But the Dollar Tree has large ones, and they're metal. So I just assumed this one would be metal, but it's not. But oh my gosh, those donuts, like. Doesn't every police wife need a donut flag? Like really though. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. So I bought this one, and then I also bought a second one. I thought this would be cute, just for home, or, you know, wherever. It may just live on my little bookshelf. Oh, is it? I thought it was gonna fall over. Will it fall over? Guys, we may have to do something to make that a little heavier. Okay, maybe it's better now. It's better now. It's better now. So they have, it looks like 6 designs. They have one that says, "You're all amazing." It's got a llama. Llamas are always popular, especially in the planner world. And so I liked that one, but I ended up picking out, oh, there's one that says Mermaid Vibes. They did have that one. I didn't see the llama one. Then the one I bought, and then it says Attitude. Something there is hard to see. I can't see. And then one that's Wild and Free. So I don't know what the middle one. But anywho, I got this one. And this one is like, it's like stuck. Okay. I don't know why that happens. But anyway, this one says "This Girl Can." And I thought this would be cute for my desk at work. But I also thought, as far as like thinking about crafting, right? I also thought like how easy it would be to make like your own flags for these, like to get a little canvas or a little piece of fabric or anything. And especially since it's not going outside, it's going inside, like you don't have to worry about it being like weather resistant or whatever. But I thought, how cute would this be to maybe do some iron on or some Cricut things with some HTV, some like just some maybe a favorite viral verse, or maybe like iron on like kids' pictures. I don't know, guys. I just think that there's a lot of possibilities here, and I thought it was so cute, and I thought it was just great for the summer. But anyway, I bought that one. Again, I bought this one for my desk at work. This is This Girl Can, and then I bought that one for home. So that is that. Anyway, guys, that is all I got this time around. Oh my gosh, I have so many craft projects going up, like a lot of planner videos right now, because tis the season, right, for planner videos. But I have a lot of craft things coming up, and I can't wait to show you. And I love when I can get craft supplies at the Dollar Tree, guys, because that's everything, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, by the way, my name is Amanda, and I love to do like crafting on a budget videos and planner videos, and occasionally a clean with me or an organizing video, kind of like that. But anyway, vlogs, you know, just lifestyle, just come hang out with me. Just come be my friend and hang out, right? And comment below and we'll chat. And anyway, again, thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I'll see you later. Bye.